Hello everybody and welcome back to another vlog. You might be a little surprised that there's two vlogs in a row, which is a little bit of a record for us considering usually they come out like once every 4 to 5 months. But today is a special vlog. Actually, the next few days are going to be special vlogs. We are all packed and ready. Well, I have my backpack on. Evan's stuff is still inside. But we are about to be leaving to go on a little secret trip that we've been planning for a little bit. Planning kind of gives it a little bit of a over exaggeration. It was kind of last minute, but you guys can follow along over the next couple of days. These should be coming out daily, so stay tuned for that. I will be catching you guys probably at the airport. We're going to keep it a little bit of a surprise what we're doing, so you're going to have to wait and see what content comes forth. Unfortunately, this is not going to be the super cool version. If we had hit 30 likes on the stream today, it would be a lot cooler. The trip would have been going to like Hawaii or something, but unfortunately, without those extra like 8 likes, we couldn't afford it. So, yeah, we're going somewhere else. See you then. All right, guys. I'm trying to keep it down to not be those annoying YouTubers who are shooting stuff everywhere. But we are currently at the airport about to leave. Evan is trying very hard to not be embarrassed shooting in public. Usually it's the other way around, but for some reason airports seem to terrify him a little bit more. But we're about to leave, waiting at Ruby's. See you guys when the food gets here. And yeah, I don't really have that much else to say. Cypher spoiler shot of something. All right, guys, so we are currently waiting to board. Our flight's been delayed. Looks like it might be delayed even more. We were supposed to start boarding a few minutes ago, but that's all right. So yeah, at least the plane is here, so that's a bonus. Hey guys, so we are currently on the plane about to depart. Unfortunately, it was delayed for a bit, but that's not the end of the world. We are hopefully going to be taking off and arriving in Chicago pretty soon. 4 hours or so. So I'll catch up with you then. Unless anything interesting happens on the flight, you never know nowadays. So,
we made a friend.
Yes. Alright guys, so we just arrived in Chicago. It's a little after midnight local time, so we're about an hour late, which is
You just checked your watch.
fantastic. No, I don't. But anyway, we just arrived, so now we're going to head to the car place and then figure out something to eat. So yeah, technically this is now tomorrow, but still be in this vlog. Yeah, I don't know, I'm really tired.
Yes, it's okay. We'll see you when we get to the car in the hotel.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are in the car.
Made it.
I just told Evan not to look at me. Yeah, it's 1 a.m. Local time, which is like...
Our flight was quite delayed, though.
Yes, our flight was very delayed, and then at the car rental place, apparently all their electronic systems were down. So
they had to write everything
Yes,
down.
they were renting it out. They printed out on like some old fax paper looking thing for us to sign. But we have the car now. We are looking for food, as well as the hotel. Yeah, we're looking for a hotel and food.
Well, we know where the hotel is.
Yes.
Food theoretically is along the way.
Now, this video is supposed to come out in 3 hours.
No.
1 hour.
5 hours.
Oh, 5? Is it that way?
Well, we do it locally.
Time that way? Okay,
yeah.
okay.
We got time.
So I guess the video will be coming out then, because sometimes YouTube takes a while to process for.
And we'll see how the hotel
reason.
Wi-Fi is too.
Oh! I didn't even.
That'll be the real question.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. That
this could be a 20-hour upload.
we might have to hit a restaurant or something. Starbucks open 24/7?
No.
Okay, we'll have to figure that out.
are going to Denny's.
Yeah, maybe we are going to Denny's. There'll be a last-minute tag on at the end of the vlog of me at Denny's trying to upload. But yeah, we'll be seeing you guys
In a minute.
In a few minutes at the hotel/food place. Oh, there's a KFC, our
We've
favorite.
done that. We've tested that menu.
We gotta try. What is considered native Chicagoese?
Nothing at 1 a.m.
Chicagian, yeah, Chicagian food.
Don't offend anyone.
Something is open there. I think this is going to be the longest segment by far. We're very tired.
We need the map back though, so you guys.
Okay, yeah, I'll stop. Goodbye. We've made our decision.
We found a White Castle. I've never had White Castle.
Neither have I.
Paul, this is exciting.
For us California people, White Castle is what are you doing? Yeah. So
Parking lot doesn't go through.
White Castle, we are thrilled.
So excited.
Thrilled to go to a White Castle. So we're going to White House.
Again.
I don't know.
All right.
I need to sleep. Here we are. We are pulling into
They
the.
have a drive-thru?
I'm not going to shoot a vlog in the drive-thru because I'm not that kind of person.
Oh,
but
so exciting.
we will be doing a thorough food review. We are in the parking lot of a White Castle at 1 a.m.
I'm beyond excited right now.
I'm trying to negotiate the food out of here.
My seat warmer's on. It's
Wow, I
really
have
hot.
so many bags under my eyes. Okay.
How do I turn the seat warmer off? Do you want to feel this? It's like hot.
Oh. I was about.
Oh,
Okay, so.
Okay, cut the camera and we'll get the food.
No.
out.
Oh,
Oh,
I've got it.
they're
I've got
individually
it. Okay,
packaged.
so I have obtained the White Castle. I will now taste the White Castle.
I'm so excited.
I am so hungry.
I probably against popular opinion, but I like the frozen ones.
This is fan. I was about to swear, but I don't want to actually.
They have pickles on it.
Yeah, I don't want to actually take the time to bleep it out because I know editing this is going to be pain. But
It's good.
it's just fantastic.
I know
Yeah.
Chicago has White Castle. We don't have this in California.
No,
We have In-N-Out.
Del Taco.
Better, but
Yeah, Del
this
Taco
is
too.
special.
Yeah.
This is good. All right, we'll see you when we get to the hotel.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Bye.
Alrighty, guys, we made it alive to the hotel room. I'm still very in a state of apoplectic joy. I don't think those words normally go together about White Castle. I'm sure Evan is too. But we've now settled into the hotel room, about to wrap up this first day. We've got lots of surprises coming for you tomorrow. We're gonna have some very special guests. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully this will be coming out every day, assuming that there is internet at our next location, which there might not be. So we're gonna, if there's not internet at the next stop, I'll try to upload with my hotspot. I have the data for it, but I might not have the speed for it. So we'll see. Or it'll be coming to you in hot, fresh 144p. Anything that we want to say for the first day?
No, it'll be way more fun. The next vlog should be more fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As the surprises come out. But hooray for impulse decisions and hooray for the company paying for impulse decisions. See y'all tomorrow. All right, so I'm currently editing this video here, the vlog that you are watching right now. You were watching me edit it, but I said that I would update you on the internet situation. Let's. Oh, actually, I'm on the good internet. Let's go to the bad internet here. Sorry, I should have. I should just end this and start over, but I'm not going to. Okay. So here we are. Actually, that was an awful shot. Okay, we're gonna run the speed test here. Look,
that's pretty good.
look. Oh, this is way better than it was earlier, but we'll see what the upload is. Earlier we were getting about 2. I don't know, maybe Jerry, who was, oh, there we go. Okay, so this is how long it would be taking to upload the video. So we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to be using my mobile hotspot, which is 20. So, yeah, substantially better. Yeah, what even is that? Goodbye.